To some hot oil, I'm going to add some pimento seed, garlic, and bell pepper curry. We're going to saute that for a couple seconds before we add in the seasoned chicken. The chicken was seasoned with curry powder, garlic powder, all-purpose season, scallion, thyme, garlic, and piece of ginger. We're going to saute the chicken in the oil for a couple minutes. I'm going to say 5 to 10 minutes before we add any liquid to the pot. So after that, let me say 10 minutes, then we're going to add a little tip of water. The water we're going to add is from the container where we season up the chicken in. This is not a container, it's a Dutch pot. Yeah, we're going to put in a little oil, then we're little water, then we're going to turn down the stove and cook the chicken. Once the chicken cook, we're going to add Irish potato and carrot. These are optional. You can do the Irish by itself or the carrot by itself, or you don't have to use none of them at all. After we cook the Irish potato and the carrot, then we're going to taste the pot. We taste the pot, we adjust just the taste if it's needed. So that means we're going to add little salt, or we're going to add little all-purpose, or we're going to add piece of thyme, or we're going to add piece of garlic, something just to make the pot taste good. Once the gravy go down to its desired thickness, we're done.